Hi, I'm going to walk you through really quickly how to hyperlink images inside of Digital Course Hive. So on here, you can see we have an image right here on the right-hand side. And when you double click on this image, when you click on the image just once, don't double click it, you're going to see where you can come up here and you can edit the link. So open link on click. This is where you will hyperlink it somewhere else. So essentially, you'll be able to choose if you're doing a funnel, if you're doing pages. But for the most part, sometimes people like to link externally. So you would put the link here or the URL here. And then I often do it in a new tab. So that way they're not going away from your site entirely. It's just opening a new tab for them. If it's like an external link, a different website, somebody else's website or YouTube or something else, for instance. And you can I'll just put this here and then select, and then you are all set. Be sure to hit save and your image is fully hyperlinked.